Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing people how to do a back taper fade. This video is for only back taper fade. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and let's dive into the video. Right now we are taking our clipper, we move it to guard 1. As you can see, we are taking the under hair below it. And when we are finished, we'll use the clipper for the line under it, as you can see. Then after that, we take our step 1 guard and our brush to go ahead and fade the hair. As you can see, we are with our guard 1. Now as you can see, the hair is aligning, as you can see. And make sure guys, when you are fading your hair, you have to take your brush and brush your hair so that you will not make mistake, guys. Now after that, we remove the guard 1, we take it down, space line over there. That is what we are trying to remove and make the hair look nice. Wash to the end. After that, we are making sure that the line under the taper fade is clean. As you can see, we move our clipper gently and we take our brush while brushing the hair. After that, we pick our guard 1, as you can see, at the upper braid. As you can see, under it there is some hair there. We have to join across the down taper. Though my client said he don't want to remove the hair, so I have to just take it gently to make it look more nice, because if you leave it like this, the hair will look rough. And let's watch as I remove it all nice. Now after we are done and I see that it is nice, I hold over to shape of my client's hair, giving him a crispy hairline. As you can see, I'm taking my powder to do the shape up and my trimmer. Now we head over to the other side, the same pattern, the same way, gently, and don't press the trimmer on your client's skin to cause irritations. Then after we are done with the shape up, we clear the under, as you can see. And now our back taper is looking nice. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye, it is done cut.